Welcome to the restoration journey. This is a 2020 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. Discovered forgotten in a dark, rusty basement. Dust covers every surface. Rust has slowly eaten away at the metal. Time, moisture, and neglect have taken their toll. At first glance, the damage looks overwhelming. Corrosion on the frame, oxidation on bolts and panels. The once strong body now tells a silent story of decay. But today, this story changes. We begin with a detailed inspection. Every panel, every joint, every hidden corner is examined carefully. The sound you hear is real. No music, no rush, just the quiet process of restoration. The first step is disassembly. Rusty bolts resist, but patience wins. Each removed part reveals years of trapped dirt and moisture underneath. The suspension components show heavy surface rust. The underbody is coated with grime hardened over time. Slowly, piece by piece, the vehicle is stripped down to its core. Now comes the cleaning phase. Thick layers of grease are washed away. High-pressure water reveals the original metal beneath the dirt. The sound of water hitting steel echoes softly in the room. As the grime disappears, the true condition becomes visible. Some parts can be saved, others must be replaced. Rust removal begins. Wire brushes scrape against corroded surfaces. Flakes of rust fall away. Like dry leaves, each pass restores strength and shape to the metal. Grinding. Tools hum gently, smoothing years of damage. This process is slow and deliberate. There are no shortcuts here. After rust removal, the bare metal is treated. Protective coatings are applied carefully to prevent future corrosion. This step is critical. It ensures the restoration lasts, not just looks good. Now attention shifts to the chassis. The frame is reinforced, cleaned, and repainted. Fresh coat of protective paint transforms dull metal into a solid foundation once again. What was once neglected now looks reborn. Suspension components are restored next. Bushings are replaced. Arms are cleaned and refinished. Each piece regains its purpose. The engine bay tells its own story. Dust, oil stains, and oxidation cover every surface. Careful cleaning restores clarity, and order hoses are inspected. Connections are tightened. Every detail matters. Inside the cabin, decay is just as evident. Seats are removed. Carpets are lifted. Years of dust and moisture have settled underneath. The interior is thoroughly cleaned. Plastic panels regain their original texture. Leather surfaces are treated and revived. What once felt abandoned now feels alive again. Now comes one of the most satisfying moments: reassembly. Restored parts return to their rightful place. Bolts tighten smoothly. Components align perfectly. The vehicle slowly takes shape once more. Each sound you hear marks progress. Each click and turn brings the Prado closer to life. Fresh paint coats the body. Panels smooth, duct clean, reflective. The transformation is unmistakable. Wheels are mounted. Suspension settles under its own weight.